Sous vide is a water bath style of cooking that cooks food extra evenly, with the food never reaching a degree higher than the water temperature. While this style of cooking used to be popular just among restaurant chefs, it is now accessible to home cooks. Sous vide cookers are essentially sticks that are placed into a pot of water to heat the water to a set temperature and maintain that temperature while circulating the water, so there are no hot or cool spots. One of the benefits of sous vide cooking is the inability to overcook anything. It's a slow and steady style of cooking. A steak may need to cook for several hours in a sous vide pot versus several minutes per side over the direct heat of a grill, but your patience is rewarded with perfectly cooked results. We rounded up several of the top models and sent them to our home testers to try out in their kitchens and evaluate them based on setup. There are numerous options for cheap best sous vide, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable best sous vide from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Links in the description box for each products mentioned. Number 1. Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker. The Anova brand is pretty much the biggest name in sous vide, and its precision cooker is the industry standard for consumer-level home machines. Our tester was impressed with this model's ability to maintain temperature to amazing accuracy, as well as its ability to heat to the target temperature more quickly than even the precision cooker's smaller cousin, the Nano, see below. She achieved great results with cooking steak, chicken, and soft-boiled eggs, all by following the instructions in the Anova app. The precision cooker is as simple to set up as just plugging it in, and the adjustable clamp lets you attach it to just about any vessel, with the heating element submerged at just the right depth. For the sous vide beginner, Anova's app offers a wealth of assistance in the form of recipes and video tutorials. Number 2. Instant Pot Accu Slim Sous Vide Precision Cooker and Immersion Circulator. The same brand that brought us the well-known pressure cooker also developed an immersion circulator for sous vide cooking. It can be used with an instant pot, but it's not required and boasts a small size and an even smaller price tag. Its affordability does mean you lose features found in other models, such as Wi-Fi connectivity and remote control capabilities. However, our tester found the interface was easy to read, the temperature accurate, and the slim size is serious bonus for those with limited storage space. I put it through the paces cooking steak and boneless skinless chicken breasts for chicken salad with perfect results. I also successfully made creme fraiche, cooking it for 24 hours at 96 degrees, creme brulee in canning jars. The rich custard came out silky smooth, and even pickles. Number 3. Breville Joule Sous Vide. Breville Joule Sous Vide. The Joule was first introduced in 2016 by Chef Steps, a company that has since been acquired by Breville. This sous vide cooker is loaded with great features and is one of the smallest on the market at just 11 inches tall, so it will fit into a kitchen drawer for storage. It has a magnetic base and a side clip, so it can be used in a wide variety of containers with as little as 1.5 inches of water in the pot. On the other end of the scale, it can handle up to 10 gallons of water. Performance-wise, our reviewer found that the Joule was quick and easy to use. How quick? It heated a stock pot of water to 130 degrees Fahrenheit in less than 12 minutes. And because of its precise temperature control, even if you leave your food in the water bath longer than you need, it's unlikely you'll overcook it. This is controlled by a mobile app, so you'll need an Android or Apple device to set and control it. It also works with Amazon Alexa for voice control and feedback. Number 4. Professional Breville HydroPro Sous Vide Immersion Circulator. This high-end professional sous vide cooker offers incredibly precise temperature control, 3 water speeds, including a powerful high speed for large containers with lots of water, and a whole built-in database for cooking a wide variety of foods. It is easy to clean and, even though it does not have an app or Wi-Fi connectivity, is also very easy to use. Although it's on the larger and heavier side, it adjusts to fit different pots and containers, and the squeeze clamp holds it in place well. The Breville HydroPro heats water up to your desired temp quickly. Depending on what you're making, you can input super customized factors such as whether your food is fresh or frozen, how thick it is, how tough or tender it is, what shape it is, and what doneness is preferred. From there, The machine will calculate your perfect settings. Number 5. Vesta Precision Perfecta Sous Vide Water Oven. If you want an all-in-one Sous Vide machine that doesn't require you to use one of your own pots, the Vesta Perfecta is a great option. Compared to stick Sous Vide machines, it's got more circulation power due to extra jets built into the unit. The 10.5 quart capacity allows you to cook large quantities, but it has a second water level as well if you only need to do a smaller batch. The design of the machine is sleek and modern, with an LED display that allows you to control the machine manually or connect it to Wi-Fi to be controlled from anywhere through the Vesta app. Users agree that it's incredibly easy to use and that the temperature control is precise and reliable. The timer can be set to cook for up to 100 hours, and you can see your progress through the glass lid. If you happen to run into any issues, the machine is covered by a 2-year warranty. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.